Kia ora whānau. Hey, it's not just a trip to the beach this weekend. We're travelling to Whangarei for my wife's niece's wedding. My wife is going to be the marriage celebrant. Unfortunately, if she doesn't get there, there will be no marriage. The problem. Northland is in a state of emergency due to weather events, and we will have to drive a high-sided vehicle for 3 hours into high winds. Let's hit the road. Bloody hell. Well, this weather isn't making driving easy. Bloody hell. The drive up was intense. We had heard that Brenda and Hills were closed due to slips. By the time we got there, road crews had cleared them. Thank you. The wind buffeted us all the way up. It wasn't really good until we got to the Whangarei, but the old girl handled it pretty well. On the way up at least. But we made it. And look at this, the weather actually cleared up for the ceremony. It was fantastic. A really proud moment watching my wife up there as celebrant, marrying her niece. A beautiful day. Well worth the white-knuckle drive to get here. On with this party. But the winds weren't done with us yet. Somewhere on the trip back to Auckland, the driver's skylight left Itsy. Ka kite whānau.